Alright guys, it's Tool Time Tuesday. Today we'll be checking out the DEPSTECH DS450 Endoscope. Handy tool for all kinds of blue collar jobs. Open her up. She's brand new. Let's check her out. Down here at the bottom we got our charging port and our SD card for saving pictures and videos right to the device. We've got our camera here with different adapters for our camera, different lenses, whatever you want to call them. And our charger cord and user manual.
Power on.
Got a little buttons right here. Now we're recording our screen. That's how you take photos right here on the side. Let's stretch our camera straight. Front facing camera. Hold the button down. Boom, now we have side facing camera. So you can look all the way around in a cylinder wall or something without moving it.
Pretty cool.
So we got more features on this one than the OIWAC. A little better quality.
Now let's see what we see back here.
It's almost too bright light.
Oh.
Come a little closer, baby. How's that song go?
It just made me think of Tiny Dancer.
Hold
me closer, Tiny Dancer. Tiny Dancer.
You gotta keep your camera clean.
Clean tips, boys, clean tips. Drop your 10mm back down behind the block.
Go searching for it. It's a fun little tool that I'll hardly ever use around here, but it's nice to have when you got it, you know? Oh look, it even has a flashlight on the back. Let's go.
Yeah, that's cool.
Flashlight on the back. Turn it off. There we go. Flashlight on. Flash. I'm actually probably going to use this most as a flashlight to grab when my battery dies on my Night Buddy.